Remember, your voice is your power.
Yeah. Do you know what happened there? You can develop the skill of leadership by these three steps. If you play a guitar, a single string of the guitar, multiple of the times, like ding, 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 for a long time, will it sound better? No. Not at all. Similarly, when you speak in same tone for a long time, your audience might be bored. So don't make your audiences bored. What you can do this, instead, you got to use modulation there. What is the modulation? First thing, we have a question. What is modulation? Modulation means the change or variation, you say. Variation in vocal characteristics. Variation in vocal characteristics. Vocal characteristics are the characteristics which are regarding voice, right? Such as your pace, right? There are some terms. The pace of the speech, the pause, volume, intonation, and stress or intonation. These are four very important: pace, pause, volume, intonation. Let's understand each and everything. First thing, we have a pace. Pace means the speed. How fast do you speak? How slow do you speak? Could you tell me something like when we speak fast and when we speak slow, what is the difference? For example, if I say, ladies and gentlemen, you can change your life, or ladies and gentlemen, you can change your life, which one is more effective?
So, ladies and gentlemen,
You can change your life. It was better. Why? Because I spoke it slowly. Whenever you speak slow, whenever you have a pace slow, it means you're speaking something valuable, right? So always have a slow and fast pace. Whenever fast means not that much valuable, slow means that's very valuable thing actually, right? So pace means nothing but the rhythmic speed, the speed of your speaking. Sometimes you speak faster, sometimes you speak slowly, right? And the second one is pause. Pause means the interval between your passages or between your sentences, but when your words as well. So could you tell me what is the value of pause?
So whenever we are delivering a speech, at
Yeah.
that time we take a pause, so for feel the words, for feel the
Yeah, for
story,
making
and
people feel.
yes, so for making
Obviously.
people feel, and to take the time. That's all
Yeah, of
about.
course, they get the time for processing it, right? It's just like computer. When you just enter something, your computer processes it. If you don't give it time to process, can it give you a result? Not at all. Do you learn computer?
yes, sir, I
Which
learned.
course are you taking?
Sir, I'm learning ADCA.
ADCA, that's great. So in computer it happens, right? It always processes. So always give time to your audience to process it, right? Okay, next we have volume. Volume means the loudness. Sometimes we speak very loud and sometimes we speak very soft. Could you tell me when to speak soft and loud?
So, when we will want to speak very
Yeah, a very serious thing
serious
or
thing, then
very important, then we
we
speak
will speak
soft.
very softly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When it is not that much serious, you speak louder.
When we
Yeah.
motivate people,
Yeah.
then we speak
Very
louder.
loud, very
Yes,
loud.
sir.
Like, ladies and gentlemen, come on, get up. It means you are arousing people, right? And whenever it is very secret, you whisper. Do you know what happened there? It means it's really very valuable, right? So always try to understand. So volume is also important to understand. Many people speak always in the same volume. That's why they sound very boring, right? And next we have intonation. Could you tell me intonation, please? Do you have any idea about it?
Sorry, sir, I don't have.
Okay, let me tell you. Intonation is the change in pitch. It's a change in pitch. Change in pitch. Pitch means the sharpness in the voice. Sharpness, sometimes they speak very sharp. Like girls have sharp pitch, right? And boys have very deep voice. Why? Because they have a very low pitch. Boys have low pitch, girls have high pitch. Such as, I will tell you, and I will tell you. This is the change in pitch. Sometimes we change in the pitch to convey the information. It is also known as tone. Tone, right? People say, hey, mind your tone, please. How are you talking? I'm your boss. So tone also conveys emotions, right? In different emotions. For example, you want to say your father, you want to request your father for money. How would you request? For example, you need 10,000 rupees from your father. So how would you say? Imagine your father is just
Yes,
standing
sir.
here. You're asking him money, please.
Father, I want 10,000 rupees for some work. Please give me.
This is the tone he's following. Could you follow this? Could you ask 10,000 rupees?
Father, I want 10,000 rupees. Please give me.
Good. Yes, yes, try this. You ask.
Father, I want 10,000 rupees. Can you give me, please?
Okay, you please.
Father, I need 10,000. Please give me.
Okay, you have all followed a great tonality. Now, let's suppose now the person is changed. He is a person who has borrowed money from you, who has taken money from you. Now you want your money returned. How would you ask him? Give me my 10,000 rupees.
Give me my 10,000 rupees.
You say.
Hey man, give me my 10,000.
You gotta be angry a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Give me my 10,000 rupees. This is a change in pitch.
Yep, sir.
Okay, you say again. Just ask your money.
Hey man, give me my 10,000 rupees.
Hey man, give me my 10,000 rupees.
Right. You saw? What did you change? You changed your emotion. Whenever you change your emotion, it means you're changing your pitch, right?
Yes.
Let me just give you one more example here. If you say somebody, go, right? Or get out, my favorite. Get out. If you say somebody, get out, it can be an order as well as a request. How to show the request? When I say get out, I'm using a falling intonation here. Get out, come in, sit down, open your notes, like this. These are orders. But when you take a rising intonation here, it becomes a request. Say this with rising intonation, such as get out.
Get out.
Good. It's a request, it's not like order. Say this.
Get out.
Get out.
Get out.
It's a request. It's not sounding bad actually. Whenever I sometimes I say to you, just get out, I say you, get out. It means I'm not just giving you command. It's just a request. Or it's a polite way to say somebody. Right? Let's take one more example. If you say somebody, come, come in, right? If you use falling intonation, it becomes an order, right? Say this as an order.
An order. Come in.
Come in. Now like a request.
Come in.
You're gonna say come in, come in. You're using rising intonation. But when you use falling, it becomes order. Say this as an order.
Come in.
As a request.
Come in.
Come in. Getting this? This is known as intonation. And intonation is very, very important for you. Right. Whenever you talk to your senior, you're gonna use different intonation. Whenever you talk to your juniors, use different intonation. So overall, you got to use all of these elements, then your sound will be modulated. Are you ready to modulate now? Yes. I want to give you some script to read it. Okay? You'll be reading in intonation with pause, pace, volume, everything should be there. Ready for this?
Yes, sir.
Good. Let me just fetch it. Where is that? Could you give it? ले लो अभी वीडियो कट एक बार now, this is the time for practicing modulation with this script. But I have this book and they have their script. Do you have a script?
Yes, sir.
Come on, the script. Why are you hiding this? It's a secret?
Yep.
Okay, so I want to just show you how to read the book or script for practicing modulation. You gotta read as you're delivering the speech. Don't read as you're reading this. Read is as you're delivering the speech, right? Whatever you've written there. Don't just read it only like to achieve a sense of peace. We need a balance, like this. Don't read it. You speak as you are delivering the speech. Okay.
Okay.
So let me just show you a part of this book. To achieve a sense of peace, we need balance. Balance between work and play, between action and patience, spending and saving, laughter and seriousness, living and staying. Failing to achieve a balance across every area of your life can leave you feeling exhausted, among many other unpleasant emotions such as guilt. Similarly, you have your script. So you got to read this. Are you ready, Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Come on, give it a go.
Enough is enough.
Yeah.
We can't stay silent anymore. Sometimes it's wrong. We must have courage to speak.
Okay.
Our voice is not just for words.
You're speaking it as the sentence by sentence, right? Like word, sentence. Don't read like this. Read with the finishing line. Use falling intonation there. Read it again.
Okay, sir. Enough is enough.
Enough is enough, not enough.
Enough is enough.
Yeah.
We can't stay silent anymore.
Yeah.
When something is wrong,
When something is wrong.
when something is wrong, we must have courage to speak.
Why are you ending like this? We must have courage to speak when something is wrong. You're getting it? What is he doing? He's making this mistake actually. He's not understanding the real value of the words. Give it to him, please. You got to work on this, right?
Sure, sir, I will.
Yes.
Sometimes silence speaks louder than words.
Oh my God.
A kind word, a gentle smile can change someone's entire day. We can never know what others is going through. So let's choose empathy every single time.
Good. Are you satisfied with this?
Yes, sir.
Could you make this better than this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please give it to her. You guys also can practice like this, right? Come on.
Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take a moment and make it perfect. Every great speaker, every great leader once stood where you are now, unsure but determined.
Determined, not determined. It's determined, not
But
determined.
determined.
Yeah, determined. Yes.
Remember, your voice is your power.
Yeah.
Use it, believe in it, and the world will listen.
Obviously. Good job, Mr. Ankit. You're trying well. Keep it up.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Oh my God.
are you ready? Ready to challenge yourself, to grow, and to shine? Today is not just another day, it's your day.
It's your day. Good job. You're trying well, guys.
Suppose
Oh my God.
you are delivering a speech somewhere in front of audience, front of people,
Okay.
and your speech is very fantastic. Your modulation is very superb.
Oh.
Your vocabulary is very fabulous.
Okay.
But you don't make your eye contact. People won't listen to you. So, my dear friends, eye contact is very important for delivering speech and presentation. So, my dear friends, please make your eye contact. Thank you.
Obviously correct. But the thing I noticed in your voice, that's not your real voice. Yes? Could you talk to me right now?
Yes.
Something, yeah. So how are you feeling right now?
So, my feeling is so.
My feeling, no, I am feeling.
I'm feeling so.
You're feeling so. Your voice, this is his voice, but when he was delivering a speech, it was not his voice. Because you were speaking like this. Suppose in case you can change your life. Right? Like this. You gotta use suppose in case you can change your life. You speak in your real voice. And that's everything was correct, right? You spoke fantastic.
Yes.
That was great modulation. But please speak in your real voice, real accent as well. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Good job.
Body language is the way we communicate without words through our gesture, posture, facial expressions, and movements. It is a part of non-verbal communication. It supports our words. People trust what they see more than what they hear.
If your topic selection is not good, you don't have beautiful lines.
Yeah.
But still, you can win heart of your audience and you can impress your audience.
A thing which is important for our parents, teachers, PM, CM, or anybody else.
Okay.
That is leadership. Leadership shows your personality, your behavior, your ability. It emphasizes your emotion. But what if you are too much poor in leadership? You can develop the skill of leadership by these three steps. Number first, use simple method to explain. Second, try try to respect them, try to care them. And the third, follow the path which you want to make them follow.
Obviously.
Thank you.
This is the last one I like. If you don't follow, people are not gonna follow you, right?
Yeah, sir.
So for being a teacher, you must be a student first.
Yes, that
Then you
is.
can understand what is exactly happening with others.
Yeah.
So that's a great speech from your side,
Thank
but
you,
I
sir.
would like to suggest you got to work on your expression a little bit,
Sure,
because
sir, I
your
will.
facial expression and your words don't match.
Okay, sir.
So you got to match it,
Sure, sir.
right? The life is all about improvement.
Yep, sir.
We always improve ourselves and gradually become better, 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 like that.
Yes.
But we will never become best.
Yes, sir.
If we become best, it means we have leveled us. But we don't have to level us. We are unlimited.
Yep, sir.
We have to grow and grow in the life.
Sure.
We have to make our life beautiful.